Hey, Jibo. What's up?
Hey, Aaron. Not much. Just watching the world turn.
Hey, Jibo. How about a joke?
Okay. What did the Earth say to the other planets? You guys have no life.
I'll remember that.
Meet Jibo. He looks, listens, and learns.
Rachio lets you take control of your watering. You can easily adjust your sprinklers at any time. Rachio waters just the right amount, and it won't water in the rain. So you can get the great yard you want while saving time and money. To start, Rachio is simple to install and easy to set up on the app. Customize your watering to your yard by plant type, soil type, sun exposure, and more. Then tap into Rachio's vast network of local weather stations to tune your watering to the latest forecasts. You're ready to take control. Keep an eye on your yard from anywhere. Rachio automatically checks weather forecasts and adjusts schedules for seasonal changes, colder temperatures, and rain, saving you up to 50% on your outdoor watering bill while helping save over 500 million gallons of water nationwide. And you'll know it works. Rachio is EPA WaterSense certified and tested to the industry's highest standards. So have time to enjoy that great yard without the wasted water or money. All with the control of Rachio.
Simple coding, challenging fun. Lego creations come to life with Lego Boost. Using the free app and their tablets, kids can code behaviors into whatever they create. Build 5 different models from one set, and each model has its own cool features and commands. Lego Boost is fun and educates your builder through play. Start inspiring their future with Lego Boost. Build, code, play.
Get a beautifully maintained home at the push of a button. iRobot Roomba 600 series vacuum cleaning robots provide a superior level of clean with less work for you. Roomba vacuums your carpets and hard floors on its own, picking up dirt, dust, and fibers like pet hair, lint, and carpet fuzz, giving you a truly hassle-free cleaning experience from beginning to end. Roomba's patented 3-stage cleaning system combines with AeroVac technology for maximum cleaning performance for all floor types. First, the spinning side brush cleans along wall edges, grabbing dirt and pushing it into the path of Roomba's counter-rotating brushes. These brushes work together to lift dust, debris, and hair off the floor. A powerful vacuum then pulls the dirt and hair off of Roomba's brushes and into the AeroVac bin. Optimized airflow guides the dirt and hair to the back of the bin, allowing it to fill more evenly and requiring you to empty it less often. With iAdapt responsive cleaning technology, iRobot's advanced system of software and sensors, Roomba chooses from dozens of robotic behaviors more than 60 times per second. Roomba makes multiple passes over every section of your floor. Getting under and around furniture, and along wall edges, going under bed skirts and curtains, avoiding stairs, and navigating through loose wires. With Dirt Detect, a feature of iAdapt, Roomba uses an acoustic sensor to find dirtier areas and then spends more time cleaning them. Designed with your convenience in mind, Roomba is easy to use and starts working for you at the push of the Clean button. Roomba returns to its home base to dock and recharge between cleanings. Select models also include a virtual wall room barrier and onboard scheduling, which allows you to preset up to 7 times per week for Roomba to clean, even when you're not home. A beautifully maintained home, a hassle-free cleaning experience. iRobot Roomba 600 series vacuum cleaning robots.
This is Nora, a smart snoring solution that you want to have in your bedroom. This is you, well rested and fresh, but you used to be more like this. Thanks to your outstanding vocal performance, you got a lot of this. Yep, your snoring is putting a damper on things at home. And you know it can increase the chance of strokes and heart attacks. So you go out there and try all kinds of anti-snore products. And then, you meet Nora. Using Nora is simple. Just pick your favorite pillow, put the expander in your pillowcase, tap Nora, and go to sleep. When you start snoring, Nora gently moves your head so you stop before your partner wakes up. The science of it is simple. When you fall asleep, your neck and throat muscles relax. This decreases the size of the airway and causes the vibrations. The slight movement of your head stimulates these muscles and opens the airway, so you can breathe normally again. The best part is, you won't feel a thing. You can sleep in any position or on any part of the pillow. Our patent-pending design is just as effective. Everything about Nora is designed to make it a delightful addition to your bedroom. The organic shape is inspired by natural objects, and the smooth matte finish looks great in any setting. Nora comes in a beautiful portable bag, equipped with a rechargeable battery, making it easy to use on the go. Nora, less that, and more this.